Hey guys, today we are making blueberry fudge bars. They start off with a super simple fudge base and they are topped with a no-bake blueberry cheesecake topping. They're super delicious, sweet with a little bit of tartness, and so yummy. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free. So come on, let's make them. First, we're going to take our blueberries, granulated sugar, and kosher salt, and then mix them together over medium heat. We want to bring it to a boil. It takes about 5 minutes. Once boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Then carefully blend the blueberries. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender. Then we are going to strain through a mesh colander or sieve and let it cool. Next, take chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and our butter, and we are just going to mix them together. Then we are going to heat it in the microwave until completely smooth and combined. Then we are going to place our fudge layer in an 8x8 pan and smooth it all out. And after it's smooth, we're going to pop it in the fridge until it sets. Next, we're going to take cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, and we are going to mix them together until they are smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, take our heavy cream and we're going to mix it until soft peaks form. You can of course do this with an electric mixer as well. Then we are going to mix our cream cheese layer into the heavy cream. You can use a whisk if it gets a little bit difficult. And we are going to add in tablespoons of our blueberry syrup. I like to add 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then we are going to take our fudge layer out of the fridge and we are going to top it with this blueberry layer. Just smooth it out, and then we are going to chill until it has set. Once it is set, we are going to carefully take it out of the fridge and we are going to cut it into squares or rectangles, whatever your heart desires. I hope you guys love these blueberry fudge bars as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.